Next, vehicle transaction modules. Periodic entry, own vehicle. The periodic entry, own vehicle, module is designed to help track and manage vehicle service and maintenance records. This module ensures that service schedules are followed, reducing breakdowns and increasing vehicle efficiency. Fields and functions. Basic vehicle details. Vehicle code displays the unique code assigned to the vehicle. Vehicle name displays the vehicle's name, example, crawler. Vehicle number displays the vehicle's registration number or license plate for easy identification. Viewing detailed service information. Click on the details link to access the vehicle's service and maintenance schedule. This will open a page where you can save and update service details. Service and maintenance details. Sub-assembly. Select the specific component being serviced, example, engine, gearbox. After selecting sub-assembly, description field will appear. Select the description based on the selected sub-assembly. The part number/oil grade. Specification. Quantity. Usage limit. Are auto-fetched. Based on the registration that we have done in Master Module, Own Vehicle. The corresponding description field auto-populates based on the registered sub-assemblies. If no sub-assembly is selected, the description field remains disabled. Oil grade. Displays the grade/type of oil required for the selected sub-assembly. Part number/oil grade. Displays the part number or specific oil grade used for maintenance. Specification. Displays any additional specifications required for the part or oil. Usage limit. Defines the recommended lifespan of the part/oil, in hours or kilometers. Quantity. Specifies the quantity of oil or parts used in the maintenance. Hour meter reading. Displays the current operational hour reading of the vehicle. Current date. The date when the maintenance entry is recorded. Saving and editing service entries. Submit/save. After entering service details, click the Submit button to save the entry. Once saved, records are displayed in a table format for tracking. Change field. Allows users to update service records and trigger alerts for future maintenance. Edit record. Click the Edit button to update details like the last changed HR/KM field. Fields such as service HR/KM, next service, and remaining HR are not editable after saving. Managing service history and alerts. The module provides a clear service history for each vehicle. Alerts notify users about upcoming maintenance based on usage limits. Proper management of alerts ensures vehicles are serviced on time, preventing breakdowns. Vehicle Daily Progress Entry 4, Own and Hire Vehicle. The Vehicle Daily Progress Entry page is designed to track the daily performance and usage of both own and hire vehicles, including details like load, diesel consumption, and working hours. The page provides options for selecting vehicle types, filtering reports by branch, and managing daily progress entries based on vehicle codes. Main page fields. Select vehicle type, drop-down. Purpose, allows users to select the type of vehicle, example, own vehicle, hired vehicle. Branch-wise report, drop-down. Purpose, enables filtering of progress reports based on the selected branch. Search fields. Vehicle code, allows users to search for a vehicle by its unique identifier. Condition, filters vehicles based on their condition. Vehicle number, searches for vehicles using their registration number. Vehicle name, searches for vehicles based on their name. Vehicle type, filters vehicles based on type. Redirect to own vehicle position entry. Purpose, clicking on the vehicle code redirects users to the own vehicle position entry page for updating or adding new daily usage details. Fields to add a new entry, own vehicle, click Add New. When adding a new entry for an own vehicle, the following fields are required. Vehicle code. The unique identifier assigned to the vehicle, auto-fetched. Vehicle name. The name or type of the vehicle, auto-fetched. Vehicle basis. Specifies if the vehicle is hired or owned, auto-fetched. Branch. The branch where the vehicle is registered, auto-fetched. Vehicle type. Specifies the type of vehicle, auto-fetched. Driver name. The name of the driver operating the vehicle. Load details, mandatory fields. These fields capture the vehicle's daily progress and load information. Date of loading. Date when loading occurred. Date of unloading. Date when unloading occurred. Starting hours. The hour meter reading at the start of the day. Closing hours. The hour meter reading at the end of the day. Add location. The location where loading/unloading happened. Know of loads. The number of loads transported. Diesel quantity. The amount of diesel consumed. Diesel consumption. The diesel consumption rate. Save or edit the entry. Submit button, saves the entered data, adding a new entry to the progress report. Edit button, allows modification of previously added entries. Key features and configurations. Field configuration. If the vehicle is hour basis, fields like starting hours and closing hours are shown. If the vehicle is on a kilometer basis, fields like starting kilometer and closing kilometer are shown instead. The system dynamically adjusts the form based on the vehicle's registration type. Handling zero values. If a field is not applicable, it is set to 0. Example, if a vehicle is on a kilometer basis, fields like starting hours will show 0. Vehicle daily progress entry, hire vehicle. The hire vehicle position list is used to track the progress of hired vehicles, with details on hourly or distance-based progress. First click on the vehicle daily progress entry hour meter basis. It will redirect to the hire vehicle position list, hour meter basis. Hire vehicle position list, main page. Vehicle code. Displays the unique vehicle identifier. Vehicle number. Displays the vehicle's registration number. Vehicle name. Shows the model or name of the vehicle. Vehicle type. Indicates the type of hire vehicle. Company. Specifies the company to which the hire vehicle belongs. Clicking on vehicle code redirects users to the Add Hire Vehicle Position page. On that page, click Add Entry. It will redirect to Add Hire Vehicle Position. Add Hire Vehicle Position, fields. Vehicle code. The vehicle's unique identifier, auto-fetched. Vehicle number. The registration number, auto-fetched. Branch name. The branch where the vehicle is registered, auto-fetched. Vehicle name. The name of the hire vehicle, auto-fetched. Vehicle type. Example, crane. Type of vehicle, auto-fetched. Vehicle status. shows that the vehicle is hired, auto-fetched. Those 6 fields are auto-fetched based on the registration that we have done in master module. Hire vehicle position entry fields. Date, entry date. Starting km, initial odometer reading. Starting hours, initial hour meter reading. Closing km, final odometer reading. Closing hours, final hour meter reading. Braking hours, any downtime or breaks. Diesel quantity, diesel consumed during the period. No of trips/output, total trips completed. Location, operating location. Number of loads, total loads transported. Driver name, name of the driver. Driver license expiry date, driver's license expiration date. Remarks, additional comments or observations. Click Submit to save the entry. The entry will shown in structured table. You can edit and delete if needed. Next, to see the vehicle daily progress entry, km and hour basis, click on Back to redirect to main page, select Hire Vehicle and then select Vehicle Daily Progress Entry, km and hour basis. This section is used to track hired vehicles operating on an hourly or kilometer basis. Main page, branch-wise report shows. Vehicle code. Redirects to the Hire Vehicle Position View page. Vehicle number. Displays the registration number. Vehicle name. Shows the model or name. Vehicle type. Indicates vehicle type. Company. Specifies the associated company. Click on the vehicle code to be redirected to the Add Vehicle Daily Progress Entry, Kilometer and Hour Basis page. On this page, click Add New to enter a new record for vehicle working hours. Vehicle working hours entry form. Vehicle details. Vehicle code. Vehicle number. Branch name. Vehicle name. Vehicle type. Vehicle basis. Vehicle status. These are auto-fetched based on the registration that we have done in master module. Hire vehicle position entry form. Date. Starting km, input field. Closing km. Diesel quantity. Braking hours. Hours. Minutes, input field. No of trips/output, input field. Location, drop down, select 1. Number of loads. Volume SADFACE CFT/M. Remarks. Click Submit to save the entry. Once saved, the data will be displayed in a structured table where you can edit or delete the entry as needed. In both the table and the form entry. If the vehicle basis is km basis, then the hours field should be either left blank or set to 0. If the vehicle basis is hour basis, then the km fields should be set to 0 or left blank.